Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your face recognition scanner isn't recognizing your face properly on iPad Pro M5. In such case, you're gonna have to reset your Face ID. To do that, go to Settings, then swipe down the sidebar to Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode in here, and then select Reset Face ID to remove the previous version. And before we set up a new one, I want you to make sure that you can clearly see your face in the camera. So grab a piece of microfiber cloth and carefully wipe the surface of your frontal camera. And for the same reasons, also adjust the lights in your room so that they face you and not your camera. And also make sure that your face is not too bright when you look at the camera. Then to set up a Face ID, select this option, and what you have to do is move your face slowly position your face in the circle, and then move your face slowly around, just like this smiley face. And you're gonna have to do it twice once you press Get Started. So you position your face here and then start moving it around to fill the entire circle. Then proceed by doing the same thing once again. Tap done, and before we proceed, first let's make sure that your device is up to date, because keeping your software in touch with your hardware is always good for your device's performance. Go to General section, then go to Software Update. Make sure that you are connected to either Wi-Fi or are using mobile data. And here check if you have any updates. If you do, take your time and install the latest version. If you don't, let's restart the iPad. To do so, press power button and volume down key at the same time. Then slide the circle to power off. Wait until it's fully powered off, and then turn it on by shortly pressing the power button. Wait until you see the Apple logo on the screen, and then let's wait until the device is turned on again. Once the device is powered on, first enter your passcode, and now let's test the face recognition scanner and how it works now. So let's lock the device and let's try to unlock it using Face. As you can see, everything worked well for the first time. Let's give it a couple more attempts. Everything still works well. And the third attempt was very smooth. So as you can see, everything works perfectly well for me, and I hope that it does for you too. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.